Water heaters. They're very fragile, you know. But you're in the wilderness. You have to transport your water heaters however you see fit. However you can get your water heater to its point of destination is the prime objective. I'll bet you likely order from some catalog store. Perhaps online. Sip your hot toddy waiting for the delivery. Well, when you're in the north, you need to transport it, perhaps with a snowmobile. Oh, my goodness. Indeed, this water heater must get to its point of destination. This is how you tow a water heater. I'm gonna have a hot shower tonight. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have hot running water, baby. Thank you. Thank you very much.